Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. We're back
for some fun.
Fun. Drink. Ooh.
You're at a 6. I need you at a 2 right now.
Sorry.
Work your way up. Sis.
We're getting ready to do one of my favorite activities, which is make a cocktail. So
Ooh,
I just got excited. My bad. All right, guys. So we are really excited about this particular recipe. Okay, I already love gin. Hence the shirt, okay? But I particularly love Empress, okay? Something about an Empress cocktail just makes me feel elegant, okay? I be on my bougie bitch type deal when I'm with the Empress, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Did you know I could see you?
I know, but you know when you said it, I'm busy and remember that little skit where it was like all the basic bitches, all the basic bitches.
Calling all the basic bitches. Calling all the basic bitches. There's a new announcement. You're basic.
But that's okay. That's okay because it's still good.
You're a bougiato.
Yeah. So this particular cocktail is called Love 91. Okay.
Ooh.
I was like,
Shout out to my parents because I was born in 91. It was nothing but love.
91?
91.
Okay, well that's actually not too bad. It'd be the 95 to 96 where I start to be like, God damn.
Ooh.
Yeah. So anyways, so this recipe features one of the newer Empress. This is their Elderflower Rose Gin, okay, which we have never had, so we will be tasting separately, but let's run down the ingredients that you're gonna need because I have a feeling you're gonna wanna make this with us, okay? You're gonna need some crème de cacao. Some strawberry puree, whichever you prefer, okay? We're gonna use champagne to top off the drink at the end.
Okay.
Of course, the star of the show, the Empress Elderflower Rose Gin. We got our lemon juice. It's fresh according to somebody. Okay.
What you say?
I didn't squeeze it, but somebody did. Okay. And some glitter for showmanship.
Ooh.
And yes, this is edible glitter. You can get it on Amazon. They have all different colors. Anything you can think of, they got
variety pack.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
You know, whatever you want. But we chose to not get too crazy with the glitters. I don't think we'd be doing that too much. So with that being said, let's go ahead and try this Empress gin right here. Now, normally when you think of Empress gin, you think of their indigo gin, which is the purple one.
Yeah, their original one.
But this is one of the newer ones, so I am excited.
Ooh, child.
And also anything that has elderflower in it, I just automatically equate to greatness.
See, this is why.
That's why you came prepared. That's why you came prepared.
Sure did.
All right, let's taste it. Yep, that's the one. That's it.
It's smooth.
That's nice. It's not, gin is like, you get juniper and all that type of stuff, and it can be harsh, you know, like Beefeater, stuff like that. But this is smooth. I think smooth is the best description for it.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and get started.
Got a nice nose to it. Okay.
I'm excited. Okay, let's start off with our gin. Might as well, it's open. Okay, so we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of this guy.
1.5.
Because it's the star of the show.
Yeah, you're right.
There you go, ma'am. Yeah.
I forgot to get ice on my thing, but my glass is chilled, so.
So you're doing a dry shake right now. There you go.
More or less. May just take the ice out.
Or you could do that.
Yeah.
Do that. Can you pass me the lemon juice?
Yes, ma'am.
Gracias.
De nada.
Okay, so 3/4 ounce of this guy.
We're going on a trip.
By the way, I don't
What's
know.
this, 3/4?
Yeah, 3/4. This Santa Cruz brand, I don't know when I first came upon it, but I love it. Like it gives me the fresh vibe, and it's not like, I don't know. I still feel like I'm getting the fresh squoze juice. Is what I'm trying to say.
You getting the wholehearted.
And then, actually, let's start with the strawberry syrup or puree first. Okay, so that's gonna be half an ounce.
Be careful.
I know.
Yeah.
She's a squirter. Sorry. I'm so sorry. The joke writes itself. I had to. I'm so sorry.
This is the first one. Did you drink before this?
I didn't. Believe it or not, I've just been hydrating.
Oh, shoot.
No.
Hydrating to squirt.
Now this.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
She's a squirter.
Oh, Lord. Not me. Okay, thank God. I was like, oh, I haven't opened this since the last time we used it. Okay, so 1/4 ounce here. So
1/4 ounce.
yeah, but liquor math, for real. Liquor math.
Whatever 1/4 is, we gonna...
Just eyeball it. Okay, so hers might be extra chocolate. I don't know.
I mean, it's chocolate and strawberries. That's what makes them love.
I feel like whoever made this obviously had Valentine's Day in mind.
Maybe.
Well, maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and shake this.
Strawberries.
Oh, yeah, you know what? Probably going to give mine another quick shake. So we chilled our glasses beforehand. Just in case you were wondering why I got ice and water in here. That's why.
Gotta put it somewhere.
Okay.
It smells like a strawberry Tootsie Roll.
It does.
Oh, God.
All right, so I'm gonna take this stir. Get it up in here. That's okay. Let me use this one. Oh, I see the glitter though. It's glittering.
It's a love potion.
It's glittering though. Ooh, it's cute though. All right, so we can't even toast this because this is like.
This is not it.
So here we go. We are going to try the Love 91. Oh.
Okay.
I
Empress.
do actually get strawberry Tootsie Roll, but it's not offensive.
No, it's not. It's actually
I like it.
good. Empress, you did yourself with this one.
Yes. You want to go ahead and break it down. Break it down for us.
Good job. Presentation, it's cute. Maybe need a little garnish. I don't know what garnish you would put, like a raspberry or something. I don't know.
Well, in their little photo, they had this really cute, like, rose. I don't know if it was an ice cube or whatever. It was a little thing in the middle. And I was like, that, I would have needed a mold for that. I could have thought ahead.
Could have been a champagne. Yeah. But anyway,
Okay, sorry.
Presentation is good. And as far as taste-wise, that is great as well. I'm going to give this a 9. A 9. I like this. This is something we can do.
This is cute. Okay, so I agree with everything you said. Presentation is really cute. I could see if I wanted to throw like a girls' night get together, this being one of the little cocktails I do, because it's not too sweet, even though, like I said, you do get the strawberry and you get the chocolate notes. It's not like super sweet though. It's in the background. Like you still get that gin, and the lemon juice really helps that out, right? Like the tartness calms down the sweetness a little bit.
Yes.
So taste wise, I love it. I'm also gonna go ahead and give this a 9. This is cute. I actually, I have to say, a lot of times when we look up recipes, we be hype about certain ones, and half of the time
We be disappointed.
we be disappointed.
It be not good, but it's not bad.
It'd be base. It'd be like mid. It'd be mid. But this is not one of those cases at all. Like I'm loving this. This recipe came from Empress. The Empress itself alone is great. Yeah.
10
I mean, it helps.
They never disappoint.
Exactly. It helps to have a good base liquor. Like, if your base liquor is trash, it's gonna be a little difficult to
be garbage
to create a good drink.
It's gonna be a landfill.
And admittedly, because we did something a few weeks ago with this crème de cacao.
It was the nightcap.
That's right. I didn't like the nightcap so much.
But I like this Love 91 potion.
But I like the Love 91. So shout out to Empress for putting this, for their creators in making this recipe.
Yes.
It is definitely a winner. I think all of you should absolutely try this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We really do love when you guys interact with us. So seriously, we be getting little chuckles and stuff. So definitely, even if you don't have anything necessarily to say about the particular drink, drop us a note.
Right. Give us some ideas.
Give us some additional ideas that you would like us to consider.
Or what else we should do for the year or something. Just talk to us.
Drop a line. Drop a line.
I feel like I'm talking to myself over here.
Because sometimes we do be talking, so. Yeah. A little lonely. Anyway, so we digress. We'll be back. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy this Love 91.